If you find corrosion or damage to the existing toilet flange, stop and assess the flange and surrounding subfloor before proceeding. A corroded flange will not hold a wax ring or seal and can lead to leaks and subfloor rot, so first remove the toilet and clean the flange area to see the full extent of damage. If the flange ring is cracked, bent, or has missing bolt slots, replace it with a new metal or polyvinyl chloride flange that matches your drain pipe material to avoid galvanic reactions and fit issues. When the flange is intact but too low relative to the finished floor, use a flange extension kit or a stackable polymer flange spacer to build the flange up so the new wax or waxless seal compresses properly. If the flange is loose because the flooring has deteriorated, remove damaged flooring to expose solid substrate and install a plywood or cement backer plate to support the new flange. Screw the flange into the new backing with stainless steel screws for corrosion resistance. Check the closet bolts and replace them with new non-corroding bolts and washers, and consider a waxless rubber seal if you expect movement or minor imperfections because it tolerates misalignment better. Always dry fit the toilet on the new flange and tighten bolts incrementally and evenly until the bowl sits flat and does not rock before final torquing to avoid cracking porcelain. Common mistakes include reinstalling hardware without fully evaluating the flange and subfloor, which lets hidden rot continue and causes repeat failure. So lift enough flooring to confirm the substrate is sound and repair or reinforce it first. A second mistake is using the wrong flange material for the drain pipe, which leads to poor fit and galvanic corrosion. So match metal to metal, or choose a compatible polymer flange and use proper adhesive or solvent welding for polyvinyl chloride. The third issue is failing to address flange height, which results in crushed wax seals and leaks. If the flange sits below the finished floor, do not force the toilet down. Instead, add a flange extender or spacer and test the seal before final installation. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors by letting us search listings and read community feedback so we can compare trade professionals for flange repair or replacement. We also help contractors find work and join our discussion community where we share tips, ask installation questions, and troubleshoot flange and subfloor problems together.